You may have heard people talking about ChatGPT recently. It's an artificial intelligence tool that uses natural language processing to generate human-like responses to text-based inputs. It's like having your own personal assistant who can help you write emails, generate ideas, and even practice conversations for your upcoming job interview. And it's not just ChatGPT. There are all sorts of AI-powered tools out there that can help you improve your English skills and prepare for exams like IELTS. So if you want to learn more about IELTS and the future of English, keep watching, because today we're going to talk about how AI is changing global communication and what it means for you as an IELTS test taker. We'll explore the latest trends in AI technology and how they're re-impacting the way we use English today. If you're planning to take the IELTS exam, you know that getting a high band score can be challenging. You need to have a strong grasp of the English language, be able to communicate effectively, and demonstrate your knowledge of different cultures. But what if there was a way to make your preparation process easier and more effective? This is why it's more important than ever for IELTS candidates to understand the evolving role of English in global communication. And today, artificial intelligence is at the center of this transformation. From instant speech-to-text translators to intelligent essay evaluators, AI-powered tools are not only changing how English is learned, but also how it is used in real-world situations. In this context, let's take a look at how AI can help you prepare for and take the IELTS exam. One of the most daunting tasks in IELTS preparation is practicing your speaking skills. You need to be able to hold a conversation on a variety of topics, respond appropriately to different questions, and maintain a natural flow of speech. Luckily, AI-powered tools can help you practice and receive feedback on your speaking skills in a realistic setting. With AI-driven virtual assistants, you can have a conversation with a chatbot that simulates the IELTS speaking test. These chatbots are designed to mimic the behavior of a real examiner, asking you questions and providing feedback on your pronunciation, grammar, and fluency. They can also adapt to your level of proficiency and provide customized practice sessions tailored to your needs. This type of practice can help you build your confidence and get used to the rhythm and flow of the speaking test. Another area where AI can be beneficial is in providing instant feedback on your answers during the exam. With AI-powered speech recognition software, you can receive feedback on your pronunciation and grammar as you speak. This can help you catch any mistakes you might be making and correct them on the spot. Additionally, AI-driven tools can evaluate your answers to writing questions. It's providing feedback on your grammar, vocabulary, and overall coherence. This can be extremely helpful for those who do and have access to a teacher or tutor and are preparing for the exam on their own. By using AI-powered feedback tools, you can identify your weaknesses and work on improving them before test time. So now you have a better idea of how AI can benefit you in the IELTS speaking test. Let's move on to the writing test, where AI can play an equally important role. Writing an essay or report in a foreign language can be quite daunting. You need to organize your thoughts, structure your arguments, and use precise language to convey your message. Fortunately, AI-driven tools can assist you in this process by providing suggestions for structure, vocabulary, and grammar. With AI-powered writing assistants, you can receive feedback on your writing style, tone, and clarity. These tools can check your grammar and suggest improvements to your word choice, helping you to express yourself more accurately and effectively. Moreover, AI can also assist you in structuring your essay or report by providing templates or frameworks that you can follow. This can be particularly helpful for those who struggle with organizing their thoughts on paper. Overall, AI-driven writing tools can be invaluable for IELTS. Candidates looking to improve their writing skills and achieve a higher band score. Now that you know how AI can help you prepare for and take the IELTS exam, it's time to explore the broader implications of AI for English communication in our increasingly interconnected world. AI is revolutionizing the way we communicate across borders and breaking down language barriers like never before. International companies are using AI chatbots to provide client support in multiple languages, improving customer service and satisfaction. Academic researchers are collaborating seamlessly through real-time translation platforms, fostering global partnerships and driving innovation. AI-powered tools are also being used to develop more personalized and effective language learning programs, catering to the unique needs of individual learners and helping them reach their language goals faster. As English continues to evolve and adapt to the needs of global communication, AI will play an increasingly important role in shaping its future. However, this progress comes with some critical questions. How does AI affect the authenticity of language use, especially in contexts like the IELTS speaking test, where personal expression and cultural awareness matter? Will AI-driven English lead to a homogenized, neutral form of the language? Or will it empower learners to better express their individuality? As we move forward, it's crucial to consider these questions and find a balance between leveraging the benefits of and preserving the richness and diversity of the English language. One of the concerns surrounding the use of AI in IELTS preparation is that it may lead to a decrease in the authenticity of test takers' responses. This is because AI-powered tools often rely on pre-programmed responses and templates, which may not always reflect the unique voice and personality of the individual test taker. In the IELTS speaking test, examiners are looking for responses that are natural, fluent, and coherent. However, if test takers are relying on AI-generated responses, their answers may sound robotic and lack the personal touch that is required to achieve a high band score. This concern is not limited to the IELTS speaking test. In fact, it applies to all areas of English communication where AI-powered tools are being used. For example, in business settings, some professionals are using AI chatbots to generate responses to customer inquiries. While this may be convenient, it can also lead to a decrease in the quality of customer service. Authentic human interaction is essential to building relationships and trust, and AI-generated responses may not always be able to replicate this. Similarly, in academic settings, some students are using AI-powered tools to generate essays and research papers. This may be tempting as it can save time and effort, but it can also lead to a decrease in the quality of work. Original thought and critical analysis are essential to academic success, and AI-generated work may not always be able to meet these standards. Another concern is that AI-driven English may lead to a homogenized form of the language that doesn't reflect the diversity of cultures and perspectives that make English so rich and vibrant. This could have a negative impact on the creativity and innovation that are essential to effective communication. Instead of embracing the nuances and complexities of different accents, dialects, and idiomatic expressions, AI-driven English may promote a more standardized, uniform way of speaking and writing that limits the full expression of individual creativity. This trend could also exacerbate existing inequalities in access to language learning resources and opportunities. If AI-driven tools become the primary means of language instruction and practice, then those who don't have access to these technologies may be at a disadvantage. This could create a digital divide in language proficiency and perpetuate existing socioeconomic inequalities. Despite these concerns, it's important to recognize the potential benefits of AI-driven English in promoting greater accessibility and efficiency in communication. AI-powered tools have the potential to break down language barriers and connect people from different cultures who may not otherwise be able to communicate with each other. They can also automate routine and repetitive aspects of language learning and communication, freeing up time and energy for more creative and strategic endeavors. The key to harnessing the benefits of AI-driven English while mitigating its potential drawbacks lies in finding a balance between technological innovation and the preservation of human values and skills. This means investing in AI technologies that complement and enhance human abilities rather than replacing them entirely. It also means promoting equitable access to these technologies so that everyone has the opportunity to benefit from them. By striking this balance, we can ensure that AI-driven English does not become a tool for homogenization or exclusion, but rather a means of empowering individuals and communities to communicate more effectively and authentically with one another. As we move forward, it will be important to continue monitoring the impact of AI-driven English on our culture and society. By doing so, we can work towards developing solutions that promote responsible and ethical use of AI technologies and ensure that they serve the needs of all members of our global community. So IELTS test takers need to strike a balance between leveraging the benefits of AI and preserving the richness and diversity of the English language. This means being aware of the limitations of AI-generated responses and ensuring that they do not become a crutch that hinders the development of their own authentic voice. It also means recognizing the importance of nonverbal communication skills such as tone, body language, and facial expressions, which are not always taken into account by AI-driven tools. By developing these skills, test takers can demonstrate the full range of their communicative abilities and increase their chances of achieving a high band score. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please leave a comment below to share your opinion. If you have any questions about AI and its impact on the future of English, feel free to ask. We'd love to hear from you. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. We post new videos every week to help you improve your English and achieve your language learning goals. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.